and welcome on the CrypNews channel. Here we discuss the most interesting news of the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technologies. And today our guest is Alexander Braune, who is an operation director of Naga project, which is developing an electronic wallet for decentralized trade, investment and education in the financial markets. So Alexander, welcome. Hello.
Hi, nice to meet you. Hi.
We have a couple of questions for you. So the first one, what problems will your electronic wallet solve and how is your product different from the similar services?
Okay, so first of all, I would like to point out where we guys come from. Yeah? So and what problem we want to tackle. So basically investments and trading are ruled and governed by greedy banks and corporations that fully control the access to the system, operate fairly non-transparently and always take a cut of the people's money. Yeah? Every transaction, they take some piece of money. As a result, the industry suffers from low liquidity in virtual goods and cryptocurrencies. Yeah? And as well, the lack of a single interface to access financial and virtual goods and crypto markets. And on top of this, the complexities and exclusive nature of existing financial systems currently leaves over 2 billion people underbanked worldwide. So this is the problem we guys face. Yeah, we all coming from the trading and banking industry and from the gaming industry, and we face this problem. And that's why we want to establish now Naga coin and the Naga wallet. So with our wallet, we will offer a financial gateway to our other services. So basically to our existing ventures. Yeah, and with our Naga wallet, you can deposit and withdraw fiat and crypto money and exchange them to each other. Yeah? So the main difference is that you can store not just cryptocurrencies in there, but also fiat currencies such as euros, dollars, and other currencies.
Yeah, I see. Yeah, that sounds really interesting. How many exactly types of cryptocurrency can you store in this electronic wallet?
Yeah, so basically, as I mentioned before, so we try to really offer the full package. We will add new cryptocurrencies constantly, and initially there will be almost all of the top 20 from CoinMarketCap, and also basically all crypto tokens based on the Ethereum blockchain. So like really like the entire Ethereum blockchain currency package will be offered in Naga wallet.
Okay, I see. Can you please elaborate a little bit how will the legal part of the operations be ensured when exchanging Naga coins and other different cryptocurrencies?
Mm-hmm. So first of all, what we also always underline in our white paper, to make the secure exchange of Naga coin possible, we are planning, also during our token sale at the moment, planning to be listed on leading crypto exchanges. Yeah? So to make the secure and legal exchange of Naga coins possible. And so the initial exchange of the Naga coin will happen then afterwards at the leading exchanges. And so they will take over the full secure operations of the exchange.
Okay, thank you. As far as I know, Naga coins can be used in a special social network for traders, which is called Swipe Stocks. Tell us a little bit more about the Cyber Robot Advisor, which you have specifically developed for this platform. How will it help traders to make money? Okay,
so also for everyone who's not knowing Swipe Stocks, I would also like to wrap up a bit and give a short intro. So our first venture at Naga, Swipe Stocks, it's already live since 2016. And Swipe Stocks is a new type of stock exchange, if you want. And this unique system enables retail clients to trade various financial instruments. So Swipe Stocks offers trading functionalities within the environment of a social networks, just like Facebook. And this platform also provides the tools to share knowledge with other users. For instance, copy trades of the most successful traders and invest. So users, for instance, you don't have any clue about trading, you can simply copy the best traders in the Swipe Stocks app and benefit from their knowledge. Yeah? The opposite, the person who gets copied, gets a smart bonus paid by Swipe Stocks, so they can earn a passive income. Yeah?
Oh, I see. So it kind of encourages new people to come to the system in a way.
Yes. So you can easily swipe through the trades of the best traders and directly press the button copy, and then you can easily copy them and benefit from the knowledge, fully automatized. And so now Cybo comes into place, our artificial intelligence-based trading robot. And this robot is simply using the intelligence of the crowd and is implementing the knowledge he has gained so far from the best traders in this SwipeSox app, and users by using Cybo have the possibility to automatically activate Cybo and act in Cybo trades for the users, yeah, based on the knowledge of the entire SwipeSox crowd. So you can simply say, I want to invest in Mount X. My risk profile is like high, medium, or low, and my expected return is X, Y, Z, and then you can activate it in Cybo trades for you.
Thank you for the full answer. One of the most, I can say, intriguing points, at least for me, about the Naga project is that it is connected with the gaming industry, and it can help gamers to earn money, like using their hobby in a way. So can you tell us a little bit more about this?
Yes, sure. So our second venture is called Switex. It's not live yet, it's in development status, but will go live soon. And Switex is a virtual goods exchange within the Nagas decentralized ecosystem. Yeah? So it's going to be the first legal, secure marketplace for virtual good exchange. And Switex allows gamers and publishers to trade their virtual goods on this platform. Yeah? And the development will undergo two stages, basically. At first, we will only offer virtual goods for gamers, for in-game items. And later on, several other virtual goods will be added to the platform, and all transactions of this on the Switex platform will be legal, tracked, and of course fueled by the Naga coin token. Yeah? So, and why did we come up with the idea? So I already mentioned that the exchange, the trading of virtual goods is taking place in so-called gray markets. So like half illegal, half legal, yeah, and also it's quite expensive, yeah, and also not secure, yeah. So there are high security issues always when you trade such items, yeah. And with Switex, which is by the way a joint venture with a leading one of the leading exchanges in the world, yeah, we cooperate with them, and we plan to offer this secure and legal environment to trade, yeah. And in addition, so the second point is that we initially allow people to make money from their gaming. Yeah? So usually a gamer, he can be very successful in the game, yeah, but he's locked in this gaming environment. He cannot really get out of it. Yeah? It's quite complex to make money from the virtual goods. And we now offer with the Switex platform and our Naga blockchain, Naga ecosystem, we offer to simply to monetize the virtual goods. So you can, if you want, you can trade sell your skin from the video game and buy with it a Nasdaq share, yeah, for like Apple or a Google share. You can and then invest your money again. So we combine our Naga wallet, our Naga ecosystem combines the gaming sector and the virtual goods sector, and the financial sector. So these environments are simply while they have been separated in the past, we simply break up this barrier.
Yeah, so it's sort of like bringing like Steam Marketplace to a whole new level, yes, and expanding the possibilities. Yeah.
Exactly.
That looks really interesting. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies are a very interesting direction now, and like more and more people are excited about it and want to get into it like every day. So how do you share your own experience and knowledge with others?
Okay, I mean, first of all, you're definitely right. So there's a huge lack, especially of people who coming from the old system, from the fiat system. Yeah, they don't have any clue about cryptocurrencies, and there's a very high demand for transferring this knowledge. Yeah, there's a very rare crowd of people who can be named an expert in the cryptocurrency space. So what we guys have in mind is launching Naga Academy. Yeah, and this Naga Academy will offer e-learning and learning courses, seminars for all kind of people. You don't need any background knowledge, or you can be an expert. Depends on you. Yeah, and we offer basically this to get this knowledge, to acquire this knowledge. on our seminars, on our learning platform. So you can, on the one hand, get financial knowledge. Yeah, so for the trading environment, yeah, we have financial markets, capital markets experts there, but also, of course, from the cryptocurrency and blockchain space, we will offer there all kinds of seminars, webinars, and educational weeks for people to visit and take part. Yeah? And so, because the smart thing of the blockchain, the cryptocurrency world is it's like cooperating with each other is very important. Yeah, and the exchange of knowledge. Yeah, that's a prerequisite of the blockchain, and that's why we also want to transfer and bring in here that the knowledge, the expertise gets transferred, and that nobody is excluded. That's why we want to bring in Naga Academy. In 2018 it will be launched.
As far as I know, token sale will begin soon. So how many tokens have you already sold during the pre-sale period, and what is the price of the token right now?
Yes, you're actually right. So our pre-sale started a couple of days ago on the 20th of November, and today is our last day, so at midnight it's going to end, midnight CET. And so far we raised and sold 15.5 million NGC, while the pre-sale volume was 20 million, and it's nearly 80%, and we're pretty confident that we're going to close the pre-sale by midnight and sell the entire 20 million NGC. I think it's overwhelming, and I think we were backed by more than 10,000 backers during the token sales, and I hereby want to say thank you for the entire community for supporting us. And the price during the pre-sale was $1, and we offered a 30% discount, so the price was 17 cents. And the main sale will take part on the 1st of December, going to the 15th of December, and the price will be, of course, $1 per token.
How will tokens be provided, and how will their growth be ensured in the future?
The NGC is the base currency for all our platforms, and already trading billions of euro every month, meaning swipe stocks. And with every new user, the demand of the NGC grows. And as more and more users will join and fund the Naga wallet in fiat or cryptocurrencies, Naga has to keep buying NGC at the exchanges to satisfy this growing demand, meaning to provide liquidity. And alternatively, users will buy NGC directly at the exchanges, and a growing demand means a growing NGC price. The supply for NGC is thus limited, and the demand, well, as I mentioned in the very beginning of this interview, there are 2 billion or more than 2 billion potential users, and hence 2 billion potential NGC buyers out there. So the demand will be very, very high. And the NGC price and value we are very confident that it's going to be increasing. Yeah. And what we also offer to our investors is to visit our homepage, www.nagaico.com, and in the lower section you find like a graph, so showing the value curve of the NGC token, and below there's also a button where you, as an investor or potential investor, can make use of an Excel model, and simply play around with your personal assumptions and calculate the potential value of your future NGC portfolio. So based on your personal assumptions. So we really offer here people to invest transparently based on their preferences.
Thank you very much for the interview. Naga is really an innovative project which has united a variety of different directions in itself, which is probably the most interesting part, at least for me. So we will continue to monitor your progress in the future for sure. Thank you for being with us.
It was a pleasure. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for being with us. Subscribe to our channel, like, comment and send your ICOs for our reviews.